Our patented Aura stone has several edges: the small U edge, the wavy edge, which is ideal for smoothing fascia, the comb edge, which is perfect for surface repair, and a smooth rounded edge, which is great for deep muscle massage. The small U edge is perfect for the lower arm and also the lower leg. Any edge of the tool that feels good for you can be used. You can always tell where the fascia is stuck because it's hard to pull the skin away from the muscle. For me, this is true in the upper arm, so I'm going to opt for the wavy edge in this area. I'm going to do several passes over this area with firm pressure, and I'm also going to hold the tool at about a 45-degree angle. Just be aware that when you use firm pressure, this can cause a bruise. This is not a bad thing. It's actually a very normal part of gua sha, and it means that you're clearing stagnation from the tissues. You can see a little bit of redness right here. You're more likely to bruise in an area where there's more stagnation, and you can always prevent that by using less pressure or doing fewer passes in that area. I'm going to demonstrate here how you can use the smooth rounded edge as well. It's really great to experiment with all of the different edges on your body because you can really use the edge that feels best for you. And then moving towards the comb edge, you'll notice that it's a little bit more invigorating, and it's great for increasing microcirculation more on the surface of the skin because it has those little teeth. And then you can always smooth it out with any of the other edges that you like. I'm also going to demonstrate a different way to use this wavy edge, which is going back and forth perpendicular to the skin over any area where you're trying to break up any adhesions, any fascia, any places where your body is stuck. I'm really demonstrating this area on my body because it's an area that I notice I carry a lot of tension. I forgot to mention the magic of the pointed tip. If you have a dimple or an area in your body that needs some extra attention, press the rounded tip into your skin and wiggle it back and forth, and you'll feel that it might move over some ropey bands or some really tight muscles and then smooth it out. So this is a good way to address a pointed area that can use some release and then also let it go. So this is kind of the basic technique of the different ways you can use your gua sha stone. I'm mostly demonstrating on my upper body because it's a little bit more easy to demonstrate on the arms, but this goes for every area of the body. So as we're moving through this 21-day challenge, you're going to see focused attention to every specific part of the body.